Good morning, everyone. Start this day. This is the day that the Lord has made, and we will rejoice and be glad in it.
I know the places you go. I know you say it so soon. I know it's time to come home.
Lord, thanks Christ. He strengthens us.
I know you never go back. I know you're not playing with that. I know it's bigger than that.
It's slippery.
Ahead of the trail.
Hey, yeah. It's rocky. Very rocky.
Oh, but look, there's a grasshopper.
Total 1 mile.
Yay!
23 minutes 47 seconds.
Mia.
Steps 2,358 steps.
And how many miles is the trail?
I don't know. We're about to find out. Good for your lungs and good for your brain.
Jasmine?
Workout paused.
I don't have it. You should get a new one. Should I? On this? Jasmine?
I'm a spring baby. Maybe that's why I love spring. Even though here in Arizona it feels like we're hitting summer. But I'm thankful, blessed that God has answered all of my prayers. And I have my husband and our 4 children and Kenneth in heaven. And for you guys, for YouTube, thank you guys for watching my videos and supporting me. Don't forget to like and subscribe.